Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer, specializing in Power BI and Excel. In today's tip, I'm going to show you how you can lock in your y-axis values. Let's take a look at our visual. Okay, so what we have going on here is we're showing revenue by month, and then we also have a slicer that slices this by region. And so I just want to show you what it looks like as we make different selections. You notice that when I go from central to east, it makes it appear as if during the summer, um, central is actually making more money than the east region. However, that's deceptive because what happens as I select each region, the y-axis values change. So when I'm looking at everything, y-axis goes up to 15 million. When I'm looking at east, it goes up to 8 million. But when I'm looking at central, it's only 500,000. What we can do is we can fix the values of the y-axis so that when we're looking at different regions, we are actually comparing apples to apples. And this is how you would do that. Select the visual, go to the filtering, to the format paintbrush, select the y-axis and change the maximum value of the y-axis. So here's y-axis. And in Power BI, it's actually called END, E-N-D. So I'm going to click in here and I'm going to make that 15 million. Now notice the difference. Since the y-axis values do not change, we're now actually comparing apples to apples. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please let me know by leaving a comment down below. And as always, thank you for watching.